Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the data view.buffer property. So what this property does is you can access property represented in the array buffer, or the shared array buffer. They're both kind of same, referenced by the data view at the construction time. So this is what it will give you, the buffer. So now for that, what we need to do is var buffer, name it as buffer, and it would be a new, it would be a array buffer. So new, use the new operator to create an array buffer. So be buffer, and inside that what we're gonna do is pass 1 2 3, and now create another variable called view equals the new data view, and now we're gonna pass inside the buffer. Now we will log it on a console, the view dot buffer. So what this property does is, when we see this, it will returns you an array. So there are lots of objects inside that, and there are a hell lot of things. So if you want to get something that you need, you can, one of them are byte dot length. These are properties of them, like prototyping properties. So what we're gonna do is byte length, and it will returns you this, the array buffer we just passed. So length 1 2 3. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. See you guys next time.